koutou. Hi, I'm Oliver the chicken.
E mō ātara Winton School, ko Tessa the Easter Bunny aho. I'm Tessa the Easter Bunny.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 29th of March.
Today is Rapare, which means Thursday.
Right on to Te kupu or Te wiki. This week's word is Te Aranga.
Te Aranga means Easter.
Here's the first Easter joke.
What did the carrot say to the rabbit?
I don't know.
Do you want to grab a bite?
What did one egg say to the other egg?
I don't know. What is it, chicken?
Let's get cracking.
Good one. What do you get if you pour hot water down a rabbit's hole?
I don't know.
Hot cross bunnies. Make sure you're wearing your N.E.W.S potaes when you're outside. The UV forecast for today is medium.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Corran in room 6, Noah in room 4, Ella in room 7. They all have birthdays on the 31st. Have a great day.
Here are today's notices.
There isn't band practice today after school at 3 p.m.
There's a pals meeting in room 8 at morning tea.
New entrance to year 3 kapa haka in the hall today at 12:30. Please bring your lunch with you.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Hi there, and see you next Wednesday, Winton School.
Have a great Easter, everyone.